A few weeks ago, Yiannimize teamed up with Get Licensed to launch a brand new Driving Instructor YouTube channel. All we needed next was to find an approved driving instructor to be the face of the channel. We wanted someone with driving instructor experience, energy, and good camera presence. Well, for some reason, we chose this guy. Francis.
Hey Yianni.
How doing you well?
Yeah, good, you?
Really well, mate, really well.
Awesome.
So Francis, this is the car you teach in,
This
yeah?
is my office every day.
Okay, what car is it?
It's a Ford Focus 2018.
2018, okay, and why a Ford Focus?
I chose this. Actually, it's a really good car to teach in. It's not too small, where I'm going to be cramped in all day. Some tall people can get in it, but also you can move the seat forward if you're not too tall.
Okay, and I see it's in silver. Why'd you choose silver?
Funny story with this one. I ordered a dark grey one, and this turned up.
Do you want to wrap it?
Definitely. Can you do dark grey?
No, chrome.
Oh, man, really? Chrome will do, but it might get dirty.
What other cars have you owned before?
Before this, I taught in a Fiat 500X. It was a really nice car for me to drive.
Yeah.
Some learners found it a little bit difficult to learn in though.
Okay, Get Licensed have a learner Lamborghini that we done.
I've seen this.
Are you going to be doing lessons in that car?
I'm not sure it's the right car for lessons, but I'd love to drive it.
Maybe you can join us on the Yiannimize Grand Tour. It's a 7-day trip driving across Europe.
I'd love to. The video looks insane.
It's going to be crazy. Click here to click here for all the details. How long have you been a driving instructor?
I've been a driving instructor for 4 years now. I've taught people young, old, everywhere in between.
Why did you become a driving instructor?
All right, well, it basically combines 3 things that I really like. Driving, convenient, people, I love meeting new people, and teaching. Teaching is an art form.
Why did you apply for this with Get Licensed?
It looked like a really exciting opportunity. Working with you, Yianni, working with the influencers, and working with Get Licensed, the brand looks super cool. I want to be in this position.
It is really, really super cool, but let's be honest, it's the learner Lamborghini that you want, isn't it?
Ah, busted.
So how did Francis get this job? I actually held auditions at Yiannimize where driving instructors came down and took me for lessons. This is how Francis got on.
We don't want to be leaning back too much. We're not in a Snoop Dogg lowrider video, yeah? Mirrors, and if you got it right, you'll see mine and your headrest in the bottom left and right corner. We're going to do a parallel park. We've got a nice little space set up over there. Yeah. Sweet, and stop. You just jerked the handlebars, didn't you there? Yeah. It's about changing the mindset, thinking slow down to a stop. Steer left, gently on the brakes, slow to a stop. You're natural.
Didn't hit nothing.
It's almost like you've done this before.
Francis, can you tell us more what is coming up with Get Licensed?
Absolutely. I'm going to be making a ton of new videos with driving lessons, tips and tutorials. These lessons, whether you've just started driving or you've been driving for ages, they're going to help you guys be a more safe and confident driver. Also, I'm going to be teaching some celebrities and influencers how to drive. I've got Alexandra from Love Island in my car taking some lessons at the moment. She's really good. Maybe one of the fastest learners I've had in the car for a while. We should have a video of that up soon. So if you want to catch it as soon as it drops, subscribe to the channel.
He's learning.
Now Yianni, this one's really exciting. I'm working with Get Licensed to create a new app and website where you guys at home can find your perfect driving instructor. That's all I can tell you guys at the moment, but as soon as I can give you some more info, I will. And finally, I'm going to be working with Yianni on his channel to create a new series of videos where we go out and find the perfect driving instructor car.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff, okay, and I love the guys that Get Licensed as well. So guys, that's Francis. I'll put his Instagram in the description below.
At Francis the Instructor.
He's approved, he's official, he's got bants, and you'll see a load more from Francis on the YouTube channel. If you're currently looking for lessons, check out the Driving Instructor Finder. All the details will be in a link down below.